Watch out.
Are you okay? It's almost like that works as a reply to me and a reassurance to yourself. Perhaps I'm more accustomed to the terrain. I also wasn't distracted by the scenery. They're gorgeous. However, this accident serves as a reminder. Whether it's driving a vehicle or sightseeing, we need to stay focused. Those are some of the oldest glaciers in the Arctic. They were formed tens of thousands of years ago. Compared to them, our entire lives are hardly the blink of an eye. Glaciers are full of mysterious microbes, and some are potentially dangerous. I don't think they like being poked. Then again, this was born just today. It's a baby glacier. It doesn't have a temper and is completely safe. Go ahead, touch it. But you're not really looking at them. Are you cold? Should we head back? Is it that amusing? We can wear something warmer next time we get on a snowmobile. For now, we'll have to rely on primitive methods. That's better. It's warmer. Indeed. But for me, my good fortune is getting to see everything with you.